Alright, so in today's video, I'm going to go over the absolute basics. So, how does dropshipping work? And how do you do dropshipping? Where can you sell via dropshipping? And I'm going to go over it all in 5 minutes or less. So, you can dropship on platforms like eBay. You can dropship on platforms like even social, like Facebook Marketplace. You can dropship on places and websites like Amazon.com. You can also do this in almost any marketplace in the world, right? Anywhere Amazon works, you could probably dropship on their platform. Anywhere that eBay works, you can probably dropship on their platform. You can also create your own website, like on Shopify, but in that case, you're going to need to spend money on marketing and advertising, and I don't suggest starting out dropshipping on your own website until you have more experience. So dropshipping is selling on platforms that already work and already have a massive customer base, like Amazon, biggest customer base in the world, that has customers ready to spend money on the products that you have to offer. So, how does dropshipping work? All you do is find a supplier. So in this case, I'm looking at Wayfair. So Wayfair actually has professional services. They allow dropshippers. Wayfair is actually a dropshipper themselves of sorts, because 80 to 90% of the products they sell on their website, they don't actually have their own stock of. So they are actually essentially dropshipping as well. So if I have this product here for $45, and then I go search, say, Amazon, and I found it for $60, and that's Amazon's price. Now this doesn't include Amazon seller fees, doesn't include shipping costs, and you don't want to undercut Amazon themselves. But what you can do is be the second lowest seller, and when Amazon's out of stock, you get the sales, right? So the next guy is 65 bucks. So if it is $45 from Wayfair plus $5 shipping, is free shipping is only on orders of $49 or above. So $5 shipping is what Wayfair charges. So 45 plus 5 is 50. If you add Amazon seller fees of about 15%, you're looking at, and that's on the selling price, you're looking at about $59, about $58 total cost for you. You could sell it for $63.99 and make 10 to 20% profit on this product, and you can list, as many products like this as you can find from suppliers like this. So what happens when you get an order on your Amazon or eBay or Shopify store or on a social platform? To dropship. Dropshipping in a nutshell is listing products for sale on a marketplace without buying the products up front. So you do not have to buy these products up front. After you list the product or products for sale on your store, whether it be eBay, Amazon, or something else, and you get a sale, let's say we listed this and we sold it, I would then come to Wayfair and I would add to cart. I would order the product only after I've sold it, and I would enter my customer on Amazon or eBay's shipping information, so their address, I would enter that into the supplier website. I would then have the order shipped directly from Wayfair.com or my supplier to the customer, hands-free. I'm not touching the product, not seeing it, and I'm not paying for the product until I've already sold it. That is dropshipping in a nutshell. And that's one method of doing it, is finding these products that are already selling brand name stuff. You can also sell products from suppliers like Source Universe, which has products that are not branded. So this is just a bath mat for $8 with memory foam, and it's pebbles. So I searched for a pebble memory foam bath mat on Amazon, and I found one for $22 right here, and there's definitely going to be some more. But if you look right here and you see this one selling for $22, and you can get one for $8 with free shipping, do you think you can drop ship this product without buying it up front and make profit as well? You definitely can. Now, one of my favorite tools to use for finding keywords, so if we wanted to find a keyword for that memory foam bath mat, you can just use a keyword tool like Merchant Words. It's only 30 bucks a month. They also have larger plans, and you can search out these keywords and it'll tell you how many times a month people search for it. So that memory foam bath mat's being searched 150,000 times per month. That is just one single product. Imagine just getting 1% of the sales for one product, right? 1% of 144,000 is 1,400 sales a month. Even 0.1% is 140 sales a month. Imagine doing that with 1,000 products. And using suppliers like this, they have millions of products for you to drop ship. So imagine drop shipping thousands of products on your eBay and Amazon stores. How scalable this business is insane. So that's it for this video. I wanted to go over what dropshipping is in a nutshell, how you can do it, what platforms you can sell on, and a couple suppliers you can use. We have a lot more in-depth videos. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon.